Hey, what's up guys, TechTime here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Okay, so first of all, before I start with the impressions part of the video, so if you guys enjoyed like a silent unboxing, let me know, I'll do more of it. If you want me to talk while I unbox, also let me know. So it's up to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the impressions part of the video. And this is the LG Aristo 3 Plus, and let's start with the design. So as far as design goes, this has a 5-inch HD display, so it's still 720p. The bezels are still just as big as the Aristo 3. On the left hand side, you have your volume up and down. And on the right hand side you have nothing, because your power button is on the back hand side, as well as your 13 megapixel camera with your LED flash. And here's where actually it's kind of different than the LG Aristo 3. So two main differences in terms of design. So the way that they shipped up the camera, and this home button right here, which finally now includes a fingerprint sensor. That's really what makes this phone the plus. Just a really slight tweak in the design and this fingerprint sensor. Now as far as design goes, to me it's actually a cleaner design. I like it this way. I feel like this big circular camera was just, I don't know, it was taking up way too much space, more than it needed to at least. And you have your LG logo as well as your speaker. Okay, so on the bottom of the phone you have a headphone jack, as well as, to me, a kind of a step down micro USB connector. So really, if you're gonna make a plus phone, to me right now at this point in 2019, I understand this is a budget phone, this is a phone under $80, but at the same time, I mean, if you're gonna add a fingerprint sensor, you might as well just take the extra step and add a USB-C, especially for a company like LG. Okay, and also on the front, I forgot to mention that you do have a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. So as far as specs go, it's okay. It's not really gonna wow me or anything like that. It's not a beast in a budget world. So here goes the spec. So you have 16 gigabytes of storage, kind of low in 2019, 2 gigabytes of RAM, again kind of low, and a 1.4 gigahertz quad core chip. So only 4 cores. Like I said, specs are not gonna wow you if you're, this is basically kind of a basic budget phone. But like I said, the design is kind of clean. The only disappointing thing I have about it is that it's still using a micro USB connector. As far as the setup of the fingerprint sensor, we're just gonna set it up together, see how fast we can do it, and I'll leave you guys with some final words. Alright, so relatively quick. It's still, I do have an issue though, is that this vibrating engine on the phone is horrible. Come on. Alright, now let's see how fast it will unlock the phone. 3, 2, 1. Okay, relatively smooth. Let's see when it's on, how fast it will unlock it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's not crazy fast, but it's not slow. So definitely the fingerprint sensor is there to get the job done. And yeah, so let me give you guys my final words. I will definitely be doing a full review of this phone, as well as a comparison between it and the LG Aristo 3. So yeah, I want to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. If you like my videos, also like my videos. What? Okay, so I want to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.